Daytime Live. As you can see, we're joined by the lovely ladies, Alexia and Aaliyah, and they're going to play a game with us. Now, the game is called Guess the Celebrity Baby.
Guess the celebrity baby?
Well, it's a baby celebrity.
All right, what if we drop the baby and just guess the celebrity?
All right,
just
let's
for today.
guess the celebrity for
Yeah,
today.
just
For today. And the one who guesses the most will win a gift certificate from Cannonball Cafe. Yes. So, we're going to start with our games. We have the answers right here. We won't let them see it. The picture is going to come up, and they have to guess the name of this celebrity.
All right.
Okay, we're going to give you some pointers along the way in case we're struggling. And
like
the first one is, do you see the baby right there?
Which baby?
Right here.
Where's the baby?
Right here.
Oh, that's
This
the baby?
So, she stars as a crisis management expert on a particular series. She was the world's best dressed woman twice, and her mother is of Jamaican descent. She's very powerful.
Yes, Alexia.
She walks like...
She looks like Kerry Washington.
Yay! Kerry Washington.
Kerry Washington.
So Alexia got 1 point, Kerry Washington. The next
All right,
picture...
next picture. The child.
Kevin Hart.
All
Kevin
right.
Hart. Aaliyah's
That was
I don't
quick.
know
That
him.
was quick.
Very nice.
All right, 1 point.
Okay.
So, third picture.
Oh, this is obvious.
This is obvious.
Yeah, look at that picture.
Michelle Obama.
Yes, Alexia, Michelle Obama. Okay, the next one
points.
is, who is this one? She don't look like herself at all. Let me give you some pointers.
High notes.
Her 25-year-old Christmas hit song finally reached #1 on the Billboard's last.
Mariah Carey.
Okay.
Very good. Yes.
And
All right.
the next one we have is,
This one is easy. Jamaican.
yes, she's not a baby, that's not fair. A legendary
singer.
Jamaican reggae artist. She started off her career by singing Sweet. Hey, hey. Okay.
I'm too young.
You don't know that song?
I know the song, but I don't know the.
Her first name is Na. Her last name is Suzanne.
All right,
Nadine-
so we're going to skip, but that's
Nadine
Nadine Sutherland.
Yes,
Yeah,
but we don't
so
give you
didn't
that
get
point,
that
though.
one. You didn't get that one. All
The
right.
next one we have.
You're probably going to guess this.
She's no longer Jamaican. She was, but not anymore. This little baby, known globally by her middle name, would go on to be one of the world's biggest pop stars and businesswoman.
I hear she's
She
now
does
the
40
richest
different shades
pop
of
female
makeup.
star now.
Rihanna.
Yes!
You guys are
Very
not even
good.
sure. Look at
Very
this.
good.
Like her.
All right, next picture.
Okay.
Next picture.
Oh,
okay.
cutie pie. World-renowned
Producer,
director, actor, likes women's
screenwriter,
clothing.
playwright.
Women's clothes, no, okay.
His
Often plays
movies
the
start with
character.
M. Yeah.
M.
Hello.
women's-
Hallelujah.
And 3, in 2, he looks like that face is a face that
He
character
recently
makes all the
opened
time.
a new
Tyler Perry?
studio.
Yes!
Very good. Very good.
Tyler Perry. Next.
All right, next.
My husband,
You.
we,
Usher?
yes. Hey! She said Usher.
Oh, you. Who you know that's?
Aaliyah said, my husband, that's what gave it away because she knows who I'm married to. You
Okay.
know?
All right. So here
Yeah.
we go. Female talk show host. Used to be a DJ. She will celebrate 12 years on her talk
Oh,
show,
wow.
which has her name. Very,
Wendy Williams.
very
Yes,
good.
Aaliyah.
Yes,
Aaliyah's
very
coming.
good.
Alexia, what's happening?
She's going.
happening?
All right. So this next person, she started her acting career. No man, she
Yes,
actually
sir.
answered it.
No.
She just said Selena Gomez. How you get it from that?
Because she look
like
just
her?
like a younger version.
All right, no problem. Let's see
These
this one.
youngins, the youngins.
Yeah, next picture,
I don't know who this
American
one is.
actor, comedian, talk show host,
That's his name?
Saturday Night Live.
Jimmy Fallon.
Aaliyah!
High
Okay.
five, high five.
Okay.
All right.
No, this is somebody I know nothing about. Okay. This little man is a Portuguese football player who plays for the FIFA team Juventus, widely regarded as the greatest player of all time.
Messi?
No, you see? I would have been at Ryan Giggs. That's all I know. But it's not. Anybody? Anybody? No? Okay. It's Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Right? You know it? You know it? No? Okay.
All right, next picture, American singer,
Taylor
songwriter.
Swift.
No, man, wait.
Come up yet?
No. But the picture came up.
Me-
when she
no.
said it?
It did, over there.
Oh, over there. Oh, shit.
You're looking at.
That does look like Taylor Swift.
All right, last one. Actor, also starred.
Don't know his name.
You guys know who that is?
You know who it is?
I don't.
Okay, now he plays Joe
Oh, he's
in the
cute.
Netflix series.
Oh, it's you.
Very creepy.
It's
very
you.
creepy in Joe.
You.
I don't know his name.
It's not Joe, it's you.
Very creepy in you. Right, Joe is creepy in you.
He was in Gossip Girl.
What?
Yeah.
Yes. What's his?
Gossip Girl.
Give me the first name. The first name. We'll take that. The first name.
He looks like a Brandon.
The
And
first
then
name.
Brandon.
The first name.
Josh.
The first name. The first.
What letter does it start with? Oh. Pen.
Yes! His first name is Pen Bagley.
Pen. Oh, wow.
Pen.
All right,
And
so
the winner is...
Alea is the winner. Yes.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Congratulations, Alea. Please come for your gift certificate, courtesy of Cannonball. Remember, you agreed that we're going to go together. Yeah.
I don't remember hearing that agreement, but that's
Thank
okay.
you very much, ladies.
Thank you guys so
And
much.
all the best to all of you. Come March 8th, right, Suini? March 8th, all right? And congratulations for being in the competition.